Okay, question 30. Now, this one is very similar to the start of 29, isn't it? There's no like Q term here, you know? So you can think of this as 16Q squared plus 0Q minus 25 if you want, and you can sort of factorize it then like we did before. I'm not going to do it that way because I haven't got much room, okay? But this is a quick way of doing this. Remember now, this is the difference of two squares. You've got to remember this. This is a square, isn't it? This is the square of something, okay? Ask yourself, what are we squaring to get this? Okay? And what are we squaring to get this? What you do then is you get two brackets, okay? And then it said, what are we squaring to get this? Well, we're actually squaring 4Q, aren't we? So when you square this, you get 16Q squared, right? So that's what we're squaring. So, you know, square root this basically to work out what this is going to be. What are we squaring to get this? Well, square root this, you get 5, won't you? So you basically repeat the bracket, 4Q plus 5 and 4Q 5, and then you put plus in one and a minus in the other, and it's done. This one then, it says factorize this, so we've got to go through this method. So remember now, multiply add thing, you're going to multiply by 4 here. So it's going to multiply to give minus 40, add then to give 3. Okay, so two numbers here, 10 and 4, no, that 8 and 5 works. 8 times 5 gives you 40. I want it to be 3, so that'll have to be a minus there. That would work, right? So we got 4Q in both brackets. Minus and plus. And of course, you've got to divide by 4 because we times by 4 there. And in our first bracket, actually, there's a factor of 4, isn't it? So the 4's cancel, and you end up with our answer. Okay, so part C then says hence simplify. Well, we know the answer to this, don't we? Here. Factorize that, and we've already factorized this then in part B. And notice they'll cancel, okay, because they're the same. This is equal 4Q plus 5 over Q plus 2. And we're finished.